Everybody, I want to show you what I'm doing. We're getting ready for a thunderstorm, so I thought I'd try to get out here and finish this one part. I'm doing this chocolatey painting, and I took some teal paint and I painted a line along the edges. This is an edge. And I put some of the sparkles on top. This is like a bronze sparkle. Extra fine glitter right on top of the teal. So the teal will pop through just a little bit, but the sparkles will look awesome once it's dry and has the finish on it. And of course, after I finish the top. But the thing with this is, so you don't let it bleed out or run one way or the other, I have to wait about 1.5 hours in between each one so it doesn't run over. Like this side, it ran over a little bit, but I can always fix that and I can incorporate that. All right, everybody. Now I'm going to get on to finishing this.